Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a oracle card reading from the Divine Guidance affirmation cards actually. I love these cards, I think they're great and they're full of beautiful wisdom and I use them pretty much every day along with a daily tarot card and a daily oracle card. That's how I start my day. So this is your message for you. It may be for you or it may be for somebody you know that's going to come through you. But before I do that, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, shadow work and tarot, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you are just confused about where to start and how to learn everything, then take a look at my free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So what is the message today for those of you who are watching? No matter what time of the year you're watching this, you could be watching this 6 months from now. This is still the message for you or someone you know today. And it is to recognize your own limits and be mindful that you may need to step back and take stock. Face the possibilities honestly before moving forward. And this is interesting because the tarot card that I did a reading on for a daily tarot card reading was very similar in the message that it had. So recognize your limits. And don't beat yourself up for them either. Just recognize that we all have limits and be mindful of what you may need, that you may need to step back, okay? And be discerning of the situation, take maybe a bigger picture view of the situation and face the possibilities from an honest point of view. Just be totally honest with yourself about the situation, even if it's unpleasant. And then you can discern how you're going to move forwards. Because if you rush into the circumstances right now, you could be making a mistake or you could be creating a situation that you may have to clean up later in some way. So it's okay to just go, look, I don't think I can handle this right now, or I'm not sure if I've got everything I need to handle this right now. I'm going to take a step back, assess the situation, be honest with myself, even if I don't like it, and then I know what I'm going to do next. Maybe I need to get more resources first. Maybe I need to get more information first. Maybe I need to just take 10 deep breaths first and then do something or say something. Whatever that is for you, that is what the card is advising for you to do today. Or it may just simply be something that you may find yourself giving advice today for somebody else that you meet, that this can come through you as well. If you want to learn Wicca and witchcraft with me, certainly you can do that. I have a 12-month course, so that takes you right from the basics of learning how to use energy work and having a daily practice, right through to working with the lunar energies, drawing down the moon, working with the Sabbats, doing magic, and working with the deities as well. It is a course that gets you practicing and slows everything down for you so that you can start to build a knowledge based on practice rather than just reading about it. The course is called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy and the link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. Blessed be.